revoir, bienvenue. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make your very own origami pumpkins. Let's get started. First, to make your origami pumpkins, you will need some square paper. First, you'll need to fold your paper in half like this. Next, you'll have to fold it in half again, like this. Then you're going to take one of the tabs and open it up like this. And squash it down into a triangle like so.
Yeah, I'm still learning the triangle.
Okay, now we're going to flip it over and do it again. If you're going too fast for you, you can always pause the video if it takes longer. Next, we're going to take this little flap here, guys, and fold it upwards like so. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to flip it over and do it again. Take the tab, fold it up, and the other tab. Perfect. Now we're going to take this little fold and fold it towards the middle, like so. Guys, I'm just going to help my little brother. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to flip it over and do it again. Now we're good. Oh, I didn't do that. No, that's not. Now we're going to take these little flaps and open up these pockets. Whoa, so cool, guys. And put this tab into that pocket. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Flip it over and do it again. I'm just waiting for my little brother. Okay, now we're going to open it up like this to create an X shape. And then we're going to fold it over So guys, as you can see, there's a hole here. So where the hole is the top. So we're going to draw a face between these lines and these lines. My brother's going first. My turn, guys. I'm gonna draw a scary face. Time to draw my second guy. And the nose and the snout. Done. Now it's time to blow. Guys, just to recap, here's the hole, and now we're going to blow into it. Where's it spin? Mine too, guys. It looks so cool. Once it's blown up, it will look like this, guys. Guys, remember the hole we blew in? Now we're going to insert the pipe cleaners into that hole. Make sure you push it all the way down so it won't get stuck. Now let's take some scissors and snip.
Guys, make sure to put the pipe cleaner to the bottom so it won't fall out.
Okay guys, let's cut it. Guys, once you're done, it will look like this. Guys, I hope you enjoyed making your very own scary pumpkins. Ooh! Please like and subscribe. Shine bright.